Hello, my YouTube family. How are you all? Today I'm going to do this amazing Hello Kitty craft unboxing and coloring. And we will learn colors. So, first, we will open this amazing wooden craft. You can decorate it and you can put it in your room and side tables. So, let's start coloring and start learning colors. So first of all, I will take and I will decorate this Hello Kitty. So let's do it. I have taken this color which is in shocking dark pink. This is pink color. So let's decorate the bow of Hello Kitty. And this is the color pink. I am coloring with pink acrylic marker. Now I have taken one more light pink marker. So let's decorate the bow and take the white pen and make some dots. So we have to make the bow look really cute. So now I'm going to take light pink color again and color the sleeves and shirt of Hello Kitty. And this is the color pink. This is also pink color. So after coloring the shirt, we will use yellow color for coloring cute nose and now white pen again for making the dots. And now I'm using same pink color and this is the dark pink for coloring the flower. This is a rose. Now I'm taking the green color. This is the color green marker. And after green color, I will color this cute rainbow. So first I'm taking yellow marker, yellow color. So this is acrylic marker and this is the color yellow. So you have to be careful from the edges so the colors and the paint from the markers will not go out. So now we will use the next color, blue color. This is the color blue. B-L-U-E, blue color. So let's make this cute rainbow in different colors. And after finishing, we have to color heart and some birds also. So I'm using the pink color again. After using this pink marker, my small rainbow is complete. So now I have taken the dark pink color again for coloring the heart. So after finishing this heart, I will color the cloud. Can you guess for cloud which color I will use? White. This is the color white. So this is so much fun to create amazing craft, wooden craft. So you can decorate your room and put it in your room and it will look so cute. So after coloring the cloud, I'm going to color the cute teddy bear, or I think this is a squirrel. Yes, let's color the cute face yellow. This is the color yellow. And after coloring the dress, I'll keep the squirrel same yellow. So now let's decorate this cute animal, and I'll also use pink color to color the shirt, and the body is yellow. So let's color the hands and cute mouth. Now I'm going to color the birds. I'm using orange color. This is the color orange. After making cute birds, I will color another bird. This one in the same color, orange. So after coloring the cute orange birds, we will make these stars shine. So I will use UHU glue and I will put the glue on the stars and I will spread it with some marker and then I will use the glitter, golden glitter. Spread it and let it get dry and remove the extra glitter. And again repeat on the next star. So when you will add the glitter, it will look so shiny and cute. So let's finish it and remove the extra glitter, and it's almost ready. And let's see how it will look in the end. So after putting the glitter, you will let it get dry, and you have to cover all the stars in the glitter and shake it. Remove the extra glitter, and then you will see it's looking super cute. Oh, I forgot to color the one sleeve of Hello Kitty. Let's color it. And now it's done. Can you see how colorful and beautiful this is looking? It's done. So now you can also decorate your rooms with this amazing craft. And we have a wooden stick to make the frame stand or hold on the table. Thank you for watching.